Northland. So, a special video today. We finally hit that big 150 subscribers. So, thank every one of you. I appreciate you all. I mean, you guys are part of the reason why I do this. So, I want to thank every one of you again for subscribing, and for my old timers for sticking with me. I know there's been a little bit of a learning curve and some growing pains in the beginning, and still is, I guess, to some point. And to my new subscribers, I hope you will find this interesting enough or entertaining enough to stick around and check these videos out. Now, I promised a mod at 150, so I have one. I'm going to flip you around now, show you what it is, and then we'll get busy to putting it in. Actually, before I flip you around, a little bit of a teaser. Actually, this is going to be two mods, but I'm going to show one now, and I'll show another one next week. But I wanted to thank my wife for these, because she's the one that picked these out and ordered them. So I hope you guys, like I said, I hope you guys like them. Please give her a shout out and thank her for that. And I think they're pretty cool. So I hope you like them. I know I like them. And now I will flip you around and we will finally begin. Okay, so the big reveal for the 150 subscriber mark. Yes, I already opened it because I'm trying to do this all one-handed, and I thought maybe this would be a little easier than shutting you off and fumbling around with what do we have? What do we have? Yep, there it is. We have a new coolant expansion tank. I'm sure you figured that out already. Let me set it down here on the table so we get maybe a little bit better picture here. Here we go. From my good friends at, you guessed it, Steeda. Thank you, Steeda. Nice. All metal, all welded construction. Should be an easy install. So we'll get on that. Try and excuse me. I'm kind of feel like a one-handed monkey here, but I'm gonna try and do some of this at least one-handed. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this today with this. These I think are a 10 millimeter, or at least that's what I got out. So we'll see if it fits. Obviously, we got to take the cap off. We have to take those two little hoses off, and then there's a hose underneath too. We have to drain the tank, and then it's pretty much just a simple swap. So I don't know if, let me see if I can do this with one hand. If I can't, all right, I'm going to have to just shut you off for now. Here we go. So I think whoever designed these clamps must have been a sadist, because these things are a pain. You know what. All right, so we got that one removed. We got this one removed. When you remove this one, be careful. There is a little bit of fluid, or at least there was a little bit of fluid in mine. So you don't want to get it, have it drain out all over. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove these bolts. Let's see if we're... Flip the switch. Yep, 10 millimeter. And I'm sure you don't want to see me sit here for 5 minutes and wrench. So we're going to edit this part out. Bolts removed, and like I said, there's a hose under here that we have to disconnect. And I'm going to try and do this so that I don't have stuff running everywhere. But obviously I can't do that and record at the same time, so I'll show you after I get this out. Alright, so we got most of it drained. Now I'm gonna grab a vice grips, and I'm gonna pinch this off. I know there's still fluid in here, and again, I don't want it to run out all over. Obviously I've already spilled some that I'm gonna have to wipe up, so we're gonna pinch this off, and then we're gonna slide this hose clamp down, and then we can just take that off. And just so maybe you are kind of aware, the reason that I'm replacing this, or at least my personal one, I mean, for me it's not just looks. Obviously that looks better than this, but with this being plastic, I'm concerned that over time with the heating and cooling that this may crack or fail. Secondly, as you can see, this is a two-piece construction, as where that is all welded. So this is an automatic weak link in the system, and we don't want it to leak, especially if you're racing. So we're going to just go ahead and get rid of that. All right, so we got the hose put back on the bottom of the new one. And remember, I said that these people are sadists, so you really got to work with it, but you can get it. Old one is removed, and it's sitting like this because there's still a little bit of fluid in it. And I'm going to drain that out in a minute, but it does come with all new hardware. So now we're going to go ahead and actually I'm probably going to bolt this up first. Fits just like the old one did, and then we'll reconnect the hoses. There you go, finished product. Hoses are on. Use the original radiator cap that goes back on there. New hardware. The only drawback to this that I'm not fond of is there is no way to tell on the outside how full the tank is. So this tank being a little bit bigger, I did have to add some more coolant, and after we run it a little bit, we'll double check it and make sure it's still full. But there you go, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I wouldn't say it took me more than 15 minutes. I think the hardest part was probably getting them stupid hose clamps off. So otherwise it doesn't take long. Fifth grader could do this. So, and I think it looks better. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that video. A couple people I want to thank for pushing me over that 150 mark. Without all of you, obviously I wouldn't get to 150, but the newest subscribers, and I may butcher this first one, Tantizone or Tantizone Gaming, thank you for subscribing. Soy Joshua and Christina Kelter. So thank you guys for signing up. Like I say, I hope you all enjoy these videos, and I hope you like these new upgrades. We have a few more cool videos coming up. Actually, this upgrade is going to be a two-part. I'm going to show, obviously this was the first one. There's another one coming that I'll put, I'm not sure if I'm going to do that next week. Yeah, I'll do that one next week, and then the week after that, I have a race to put up. We've actually already run the race, but we're going to put that up probably in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for those. And I think we got another car show coming up, maybe another interview or two, so we have some things in the works, so stay tuned. Again, make sure you smash that like and subscribe. Even if you did not like the video, hit that like button with whatever you have handy. I'd truly appreciate it. Hit the little bell at the bottom so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And share it with anybody you think may be interested. And you know, don't you? Share it with them even if you don't think they'll be interested. All right. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.